is what you'll need to make my mint chocolate tiramisu. Some flake, not exactly mint flavour, but I like to add a bit of extra chocolate into it to make it more chocolatey. Some lady's fingers, some after 8 mints of course. Then you're going to need some mint extract, and I like to use a bit of green food colouring just to add to the impact. You're going to need some eggs, some coffee, mascarpone cheese and some sugar. The first thing we're going to do is separate the egg yolks from the egg whites. So into one bowl you're going with your egg white, then into another with your egg yolks. And the next thing we're going to do is get the egg whites whisked up until they're nice and white and fluffy. Once your egg whites are whipped up so they form nice peaks, when you pull your whisk out, it's time to set them to one side and get your egg yolks. Into your egg yolks you're going with 100 grams of caster sugar, and then you're going to get those whisked up till they're nice and creamy. Once your egg yolks and sugar are mixed together so they resemble a light yellow creamy substance, you're going in with your mascarpone cheese. With all your mascarpone cheese in there, it's time to go in with your mint extract, give it that minty taste, and then with your green food colouring. As I said, that's just for visual effect really, to remind people they're eating mint. And then you're going to mix all that up again with your hand whisk. Once you've got all those mixed together, it's time to bring back your egg whites. But whatever you do, don't use the whisk to put your egg whites in. You're just going to put them in bit by bit and then just fold them in. Create a really creamy texture. Once you've got all your egg white mixture mixed into there, just for that extra bit of decadence, it's time to break up your flake chocolate. If you don't want to be this decadent, you can leave it out obviously, but I'm a believer in if you're going for a pudding, then make it as delicious as you can. With your chocolate pieces mixed in, it's time to put that in the fridge for half an hour, just so it can stiffen up a bit. With your mixture firming up nicely in the fridge, it's time to get your after 8 mints and do a bit of preparation. And what you're going to do, you're going to cut them into little pieces. It's a laborious job, I know, but it helps spread the taste and also helps with presentation. With your after 8 bits all chopped up and prepared, it's time to get some coffee into a bowl. And with some boiling water, let that dissolve for a few seconds. And then we're going in again with some of the mint extract, because mint, coffee and chocolate are a marriage made in heaven. So mint into there, give that a swirl round, and then just let that cool down enough until you can put your fingers in it, with the lady's fingers. When your coffee's cooled down a bit, so it won't burn your fingers, it's time to go in with your lady's fingers. Leave them in a couple of seconds till the bubbles have gone, and then you're going to put a layer into the bottom of your dish. Once you've got a layer of your lady's fingers in, it's time to just sprinkle round some of your chopped up after 8 minutes. And then it's in with your first layer of your delicious mixture that you've got out of the fridge. With your first layer on, time to put your second layer of ladies' fingers. So into the minty coffee mixture and get a second layer. Your sponge fingers on there. With your second layer of sponge fingers on, time again to go in with some of your after 8 bits, and then it's on with your final layer of your creamy mixture. With your top layer on, you're then going to finish it off with the rest of your after 8 bits.